The biggest problem I have with the H2C is that they do not fit the 3D printing space as of right now. It is quite impressive how much filament those machines can save. However, there are not that many models that can use the H2C to its full potential. Multicolor prints are not a thing when it comes to 3D printing miniatures because of 4 reasons. The first one is the minis are so small, so there has to be a lot of filament swaps. Just a small circle can make the printer change a filament. 2. The amount of waste can be 4, 5, 6, 7 times bigger than the print itself. 3rd, many lovely people want to paint their miniatures, and that requires priming, which cover the color of the filament. And the 4th reason is why I'm making this video. These multicolor focus printers can make me, as a designer, focusing on making miniatures that are fully painted, like they're finished. They can just be placed on the table, one click, and we are ready for the game. But there are some challenges with that. The filament color has to be fantastic while creating highlights, shadows, and gradients. So to do that, I have to use filament that can blend together. So the inner layer is printed in one color and the outer layer is printed with another color that is transparent, so the colors can blend together in some sort of way. So if one day we can choose which colors has to be the inner walls and outer walls, and they have some semi-transparency, then it can work. But we are not there. So the 4th reason I cannot recommend the H2C, the Prusa XL or the U1, even if I got the printer right now in my space right here. I do not have enough designs to justify the printer. Designers like myself are not making models that are compatible with those printers, since not many people have one. There are low supply and low demand for these fantastic multicolor prints. But if I made a supportless miniature today that can be printed with more than 4 colors, then I will not see the benefits of it, because not many people will download it. And it's not guaranteed that people will download it in the future. These multicolor printers are the most expensive printers. So even if I got one, then I do not have many designs that I want to print. Not everyone wants a Majora's Mask from the Zelda games. So right now you can buy a A1 or a H2C and you can get the same quality miniatures. I just don't think right now it would be wise. It would be wise to buy the H2C when you can get the A1 so much cheaper and the quality is almost the same. The H2C is a little bit faster, but come on. Just to be clear, I want to have one of those printers so bad, but I simply do not know what I would print if I got one of those printers.